Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix an update is required to use cellular data on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to use your cellular data on your iPhone, you might see the error which is an update required to use cellular data. So basically it happens when your phone has any software update relating to your cellular data. So you might see this type error. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just open your settings app and just try to connect with a stable and a strongest Wi-Fi connection. Once you have connected, just go to general and also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. Then go to software update and just try to update your software. If you find any kind of pending software update here, just try to update your software. So once you updated your software, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Or if you might see that your software hasn't any pending update, but you're still facing the same issue, so just simply go back from here, just scroll down and tap on this transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap on reset network settings from the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all over your Wi-Fi, cellular, and all over your network settings, so it will not delete any kind of your data. So you can easily try this. After that, you have to go back. Once you have resetted your network setting, your phone will be restarted. So once your phone has been restarted after network setting, just try to make a force restart again to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, just quickly press release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for the Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. Once your phone has been restarted, just unlock your phone, and now you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so go to settings, try to connect with the Wi-Fi network connection, then go to central, go to software update, and just try to recheck for your software update. So you might get the software update now, or if it's still not fixed your issue, this is the only way. Just try to contact with Apple support team to get official help. Now to do this, just simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your app store, or you can use Apple Support Web. Select the iPhone from here, and then select this more option. Look for cellular data or SIM or eSIM service here. Just have a SIM or eSIM, and here just wait for the loading. Then tap on Get More Help, tap on Callers. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.